Hey guys, today we're making these delicious brownies. These brownies are so amazing and will go perfect with a scoop of ice cream. They're so delicious and easy to make. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and as always, the full recipe will be written in the description box below. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start off with the melted butter in a bowl. And to that, you're going to add in your sugar and then just whisk this all together. Once it's combined, then you can crack in both your eggs and then you're just going to whisk this until well combined. Once it's all mixed in, then you can add in a good splash of vanilla and then just mix that through. Then you can add in your melted chocolate and then whisk this until it's a nice glossy batter like this. Next, you want to add in your flour and your cocoa powder and mix this all together. It should become a thick, beautiful, glossy batter like this. Next, you're going to take your baking tray and make sure you spray it with a bit of non-stick baking spray and then pour your batter into your tray. Once it's all in, then you're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it, and once it's done, then you can take it out. While it's baking, you can make your thick ganache, and for that you're going to add in your cream to your pot. And then heat that up on the stove until it's nice and hot. In a separate bowl, you're going to have your chocolate and then pour your hot cream onto the chocolate. And then let that sit for a few minutes for the chocolate to melt and then mix it all together. Then refrigerate this until it's nice and thick and creamy like that. And you can add it to a piping bag like this. Once your brownie is out of the oven, then you can cut it into squares. And once it's completely cooled, then you can put them on a piece of baking paper and you can pipe your ganache on top. Just cut a small tip on the piping bag and then pipe your ganache. That's how easy it is to make these delicious brownies, and you won't go wrong. They're so amazing and fudgy and super delicious. It will go perfect with a scoop of ice cream. It's so amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.